Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to discuss and talk more about how we can convert our JSON file format into CSV file. So, bit context before jumping onto the topic and why you'd want to convert that file from JSON type into the CSV, right? So the context is bit about there are different requirements from different teams, and there are such requirements where they want to understand the different files. But before that, you might be wondering why and who is asking for those files and from where we are getting those kind of files. Mostly these files are seen by developers as well as from admin sites from the different systems, be it cloud system or third-party cloud providers. They do provide such JSON files, right? But there are such different requirements or different people within the organization or within team who really don't understand the technicality of each of those JSON file formats, and that is when you would wanted to convert those files into the CSV file format so that people who really don't have the technicality of those and don't understand the technical things, and they can simply hop onto CSV files and read through and understand what it means and how it looks like and whether it is easy to understand and grab the things from the file, right? So I have a file which is stored here, which is a JSON file format, and I'm going to show you this file before converting it into the JSON. So let me open this first, and this file is going to look like this. So this is a JSON file format. Here you will see all the different things, but this would be understandable to only those people who really understand the technical things. And I'm giving an example here because the people who really don't understand these kind of formats or languages, I would say, they really need to see those in context of graphical user interface or in any other applications like Excel or CSV or any other, which really gives them real clarity to understand and then move further. So now this is the JSON file format, and I'm going to show you how we can convert this file or this representation into CSV so that you can simply read this, and which is easy to read, understand and consume the content from this file. So let me close out this file, and you have seen this file stored here in this folder. So now I have another command which I'm going to paste it here and execute. But before that, executing that command, I'm going to tell you the steps or the parameter of that command. So all of those parameters, so this is the complete command and paste it here. So here, this is the complete command you can see right here, and this command has a first line or the a command, I would say, which is JSON to CSV, which has come here or which is available for us. You might be wondering why and how come this is available, right? So this is available because we have, I have added JSON to CSV extension to this Visual Studio Code application, and that is already installed on this, and that is why this is available, right? And there are other parameters including -i and then -o. So the first parameter is file called parameter.json. So this is a JSON file, right? And then dot or -o, which is pointing out or creating output from JSON file to CSV file. So the file name could be anything here on the output side, but here this file name should be the same because we wanted to target the same file, and which is not something. If the file name is different here and the file which we are targeting as this, that's different, then it is not going to work. So So this is the command, and let me hit enter. So it is executing now. Yes, that's done. So the file has been converted from parameters.json format to CSV, and we can go back into folder. So this is the folder here. So this is the CSV file. We can see the file type here is set, or which we can see, which is Microsoft Excel common separated values file. That means the file has been converted successfully. Alright, and this file has all the data which we have seen into this parameters file. So this is all about the file conversion, and yep, so I hope you like this, and please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe, and take care, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.